Hey fellas, we are here today on a call that the HVAC is stripping the breaker and somebody else already turned the breaker off and the unit is not running. And let's check what's happening with this guy. Let's take this panel off. Alright, as you guys can see, the contactor is pulled. This means air handle inside is working. We don't know if it's proper or not, but contactor is pulling. We have signal coming from the air handle. What can cause a breaker to trip is probably compressor. We'll take this panel out and check the compressor. We'll unplug the top motor blower, take this guy out and put on here. He's spinning freely. There's our boy. I'm gonna turn this breaker because the contactor is pulling. When I turn the breaker, the compressor is supposed to kick on. I can feel it's humming and the breaker just tripping. Let's check out how many amps this pulling. Yes, sir. Look at that guy pulling 80 amps. Yep, this boy is done. I am not gonna even take this out to check the coils or anything because this compressor is probably bad inside. It's pulling 80 amps and it's not supposed to do that. Okay, this unit is probably under warranty. We are gonna get it with the manufacturer and get a new compressor.